Hey y'all, how's everyone doing this morning? Well, I'm having a leisurely morning, and I decided I've already put my face base little weekend stuff on that's supposed to be in place of my moisturizer, and I did do it 2 days in a row because it says it will have a more what's the word, dramatic effects. I will let you guys know if it makes any real dramatic effect, but that's what I've already placed on. And how are you doing today? I'm doing my Kona coffee. Okay. And I'm going to do a blend of something I decided. This is my all-time favorite makeup. By the way, I got in 6 boxes of this. I don't know how I did it. I went to, I think, Nordstrom. I went to, who else did I go to? Macy's. I went to something online. I can't remember. And I placed the order because they have discontinued this color in Chanel, which makes me so mad. They have 20, 30, and 40. That is just too small of a spectrum to cover people. And I think that's because they're going to say, okay, we're moving to something else, so we'll take care of you people who, kind of a light, medium, and tan or darker complexion person. I wouldn't even say African American. It's not dark enough. But anyway. So like 3 colors you could pick from. And this is 22 Beige Rose. The other one is 20. Which is beige. And you're thinking, beige rose, beige. The little pink undertone in this is worth the difference. The bottom line is, it is my favorite, favorite, favorite. I love the smell of it. I love the texture of it. It is a little lighter in coverage. So I did go ahead and try the new one. And it was the Ultra Le Tint. And I did not want to like it because I like this. But y'all, this is full coverage. And it is more glowy. It's an all-day comfort wear, flawless finish. So I think the flawless is trying to say perfection, matte. But this is no perfection. It's not matte. It's more glowing. So today, it doesn't smell as good. It reminds me of this, which is the La Mer that I just recently got when I was in Charleston. Heavy coverage, long wear. Both of these are long wear. $120, $60. So this one's out. And actually I feel like this has more full coverage than that did. I almost can't even see my age spots when I wear this. So, but I don't like the smell. It has that kind of creamy, almost thick texture, which full coverage is going to. But I don't know. I like the smell of this. Y'all, it's a pleasure to put it on. And it is lightweight. And it just almost have a powder finish as it dries. So I'm going to try something crazy today. I'm going to put these two together. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do. So normally I put it on the brush. Actually, I'm still going to do that. I was going to say I was going to mix it on the back of the hand. Here's the thing. When you mix on a makeup plate, which is basically just a flat glass plate, or on the back of your hand, you lose product because it's on that. And it absorbs on your hand. I don't know about a makeup plate. Maybe I'll start doing that. But then you got something to wash. You got to wash your hand. Got to get it off the back of your hand. I'd rather just put it straight to the brush and it'll mix as I round it out. So we will go ahead and use my Sigma Flat Kabuki. This is an F80. It's flat. Always, because it's sitting in the room up, I want to knock off any dust and kind of get it ready for preparation. Okay, so we are going to put 1 squirt here, or squirt and a half of the Ultra Tint, and a squirt and a half of the Perfection Baby. Alright, and I'm going to put a squish and a squish like that. That would make them both run together. And I'm going to start back here where my age spots are the worst. The worst age spot's that one right there. It's very dark. So see, that covered it. And yet it's just pleasant to smell. I still smell the other smell that's not as good. It's just not a good smell to me. And that bothers me when I'm putting my makeup on. So much so that when I smell the regular, it's like pleasant. But because I've mixed this in, it is much better coverage. So maybe that's what I'm going to do. Is just always have a squirt of each. What do y'all think of that? What a pain. I wish they'd come out with this. For one thing, it shouldn't be quite as heavy of coverage, and I can just dot on the places back here that are really bad. Also have a place over there, right there. Go all the way back to your ears. Stay away from the place under your eyes. You don't want to add any heavy makeup there. That's why I don't understand girls that slather on concealer. You're not concealing. Concealer is for blemishes and discolorations. For under your eyes, if you've got dark circles, then you use a color corrector. And then you use a brightener, which some people do use their concealer for a brightener. That's okay. Going down either side of the nose real good, and then up to finish it out. I just swirl out the difference, which is on my forehead, because I don't like a lot of makeup on my forehead. I have bangs, for one thing. All right, now see, there is a huge amount of coverage, so you can see the difference here. Very little color difference, I think, though. I think when you blend it out. Look at that difference. So very important that you do that. See, if you walked outside, that's what that would look like. Always blend the line at the bottom of your jaw. Always drop your jaw out and just go past it. Make sure you get rid of that line. And under your chin as well, and then blend it down. All the way to behind your ears, and then just blend it down. Now, what some people forget is they blend to there, and then they've got this nice smooth look, and then this horrible cravey look. Even if you wear necklaces, lift them and go past that. Get all the way out. All the way out on your neck. And I've got a long shirt on, so I'm going to pull that down a little. And get this, maybe not your whole décolleté, but this just top collar area. And just make sure you blend that color down. And I would also make a point to go almost in this V area, because almost on any shirt, and I'm wearing a round neck today. So I'm just going to make sure I get over here real good. And there, real good. But I always blend down with a regular V-neck into my cleavage, all the way down, so that that just has a more flowing look, and it doesn't just stop right at your face or stop at halfway to your neck. Go ahead and blend it down. And because so little will be on your brush at that time, it'll also kind of clean off your brush, but then use your makeup towel and just kind of in a circle like that. Just kind of take off any excess. Just circle both directions. One direction and then the other direction. And that does not clean it. You still need to clean your brushes at the end of the week, but this will at least extend it, especially if it's a liquid product. You definitely need to do that every week. So this is due for a cleaning. So that's the two blended. We'll see how it does today. I'll let you guys know. And I'll let you guys know how it's coming along to use the Le Weekend, which I did in a haul the other day. I may change over to my new fingernail polish today, which is Radiant Red, number 731, because I really like the color, and it's a red with an orange undertone, so it's really great for summer. So I'm going to be doing that. I also wanted to show you a pair of earrings that I got from Bloom Organics. It's a little shop that has like organic food, tea, really kind of bohemian, artsy, cute clothing. Not probably my size, but they do have jewelry I like. And I got these beautiful kind of, they remind me of Van Cleef, y'all, or Louis Vuitton, that little shape. And I've also seen that same shape in a lot of wallpapers. I just think it's very, very pretty, and it's silver and gold, which I like. So I'm going to put those on for you real quick. It's called a quatrefoil. It's the name of that shape. Just for those of you who want to know, I didn't know that. I think I did know that. I've seen it in lots of clothing. I've seen it in Lily Pulitzer clothing. You see it a lot, the little white and green quatrefoil. Okay, the sticky from the sticker is bothering me, y'all. It's really sticky. I should wash this with alcohol real quick, but I'm not because I'm too impatient. And instead of my second hole, which is where I usually put it, I'm going to put it in my first hole, my top hole, and not wear diamonds today. These will be by themselves. And they're just kind of simple. You could make these a very elegant look with a little black dress in the evening. And just a simple gold chain, a real thin gold chain, to kind of draw something to the dress itself. But this would be draw the look up to your face and be elegant. Or they could be like what I'm wearing today, just a casual look with jeans. I've got on little skinny jeans today and just a little tunic top, which is almost dress length, because when I wear skinny jeans, I like to make sure it covers my bum, and it also covers my, as I always tell y'all, cover your tootie and your pootie. Your front and your back crotch area. It's not for people to see, y'all. I can't stand it when I see someone wear clothes like that, and it's like, it's just not flattering at all. They think they look good, and it's like, that does not look good. You're just showing everything. It looks gross. It does. Not being prudish, I mean, it just doesn't look pretty. Even if you're very flat-tummied and have a shapely butt, it just looks too much, y'all. That's how I feel. Anyway, I have a right to my feelings, and you have a right to yours. Okay. Let's have another sip of coffee before we work on the face. You know, some people do not care for this. They don't care for makeup and all that sort of thing, and that is perfectly fine. I understand some people have said, well, you just should accept the way God made you. That's true. But to me, and I do, I accept that this is how I look. I mean, obviously not, because I just put complexion equalizer on, which is what foundation is. It just makes the color the same all over. It's not going to fix your imperfections, and frankly, neither is concealer. When you put concealer on, like I do put this under my eyes, but it's better to put like a peach color to cancel out the dark colors first. And I don't have that in here, I don't think. Do I have that in here? I don't think I do. It's in the other room, and I have a guest, and she's asleep in there, so no, I'm not going to bother her. But I will go ahead and put on a little bit of concealer. And I'm going to, just to kind of brighten. This is more of a brightener. It's not really a thick concealer, just so you know. And if you have real bad acne, or you have other need for concealer, I would suggest, I'm just going to tell you straight out,